Maggie Reese-Voigt, SHOT Show 2022, and it's all about the accessories. So let's go check out all of the coolest stuff to go with all of our equipment.
So we have the Mantis X10 right here. It goes on the Picatinny of your personal firearm, and what it does is it traces the movement throughout your trigger presses to tell you where you pulled your shot, why, and then how to correct it. And right now, if we pick it up, this is the live trace screen right here. So that's all of your movement. You can aim anywhere, so you can pick one of the spots on the wall and then just take about 5 of your best trigger presses. Nice and smooth.
What's the high score?
Your high score was a 97.
What's the best you can get, 100?
100.
I need to do this again, because I can't, a 97, that was it?
Well, you know, some people take years and years to get 100.
I have been doing this for years and years. I want 100.
Your average was a 90.1. So a good average is typically like 95 and above.
Okay.
I'd like to highlight our Rapid Force. This is the stuff we've been working on really hard for over 3 years now. Well over $1 million in R&D on this, not even get into the tooling side of things, but we've worked with thousands of police officers. We're starting to outfit large departments with this holster, and it's being received very, very well. We designed this with what we call a gross motor response technology. So in a high stress situation, what you have is a loss of fine motor control. So we designed a duty holster that's around a gripping motion that's smooth. You're not opening your hand as you're actuating your different levels. You've got 3 levels of holster, so of retention, and it's got different connections for a belt, molly, quick detach here too, so that can come off and go on molly, drop leg, anything like that.
I want to talk to you about the HammerDown. We have a couple of different lever action guns from Henry that we're shooting. We have a 4570, but then here we also have the 44 mag. So if you've never shot a pistol cartridge out of a lever action gun, this is something you have to try for sure. HammerDown is designed specifically for lever guns. We did work with Henry to help design it. The biggest benefit here would be a chamfered rim on the case. It helps with loading on the side gate or also loading in tube-fed magazines. And then of course we have just our flagship premium. So we have premium in 6.5 Creedmoor, we have premium in 308. So we're just shooting a wide variety of premium ammunition in several different guns, and they're all topped with Bushnell optics. So
I'm going to talk about one of my favorite is the Hoppe Snake. And what's so nice about this is that if I'm going to do a quick clean in my chamber, especially at a competition, or if I'm doing a class with somebody, it's my go-to thing for sure when I'm on the range. What do you got?
So I'm in the same boat with you. When I get out to the range and I realize, you know what, I didn't scrub my guns out, I didn't clean them properly, I always have Gun Medic with me. This works amazing. I take it to every single competition because if there's ever a hiccup, I know that I can spray my gun out and it's gonna run flawlessly every single time.
I love that stuff. It's awesome. I love it for my shotgun, especially for 3-gun.
This right here is our Lahar 30 can. So it's a hybrid construction, 17.4 Inconel. We have various different configurations. Right here is our standard configuration. We'll also have a K and an L, so more or less baffles depending on your usage for the can, whether it's low profile or maximum decibel reduction. Right here you see a direct thread, but we also have our own QD mount, works with 1 3/8 threads. So if you're heavily invested in other can mounts, it'll mate right up to the back of it so you can maintain your chemo or your Silencer mounts.
So specifically for the female market, we do have a female owner, so we do like to make sure that we cover anything and everything for everybody, any type of carry that you want. The best thing for our female carriers are going to be a lot of our modular systems. The great thing about these is we do have a belly band that you can put on around your torso, strap a holster to it, close it down, have it super secure so it won't move around your body, but you can also take that and go directly to a purse or directly to a bag. We just change out our backing systems. That way you're never confined to like a specific carry purse. You can actually move from bag to bag or from backpack to even your vehicle if you wanted to.
So here we have our RXC, C standing for compact. Here is our RXU, U standing for ultra compact. They're both very similar products. Both are made to mount up to a Shield RMS footprint. Both are extruded aluminum 7075 billet effectively. Main difference really is the height. So we've got a 15 millimeter tall lens and an 11 millimeter tall lens. Otherwise, they're basically the same product.
That dot is so perfectly circular, bright, crisp. I absolutely love it. Like, I'm just in love with this dot. I love it so much. And I can see the size difference, a little bit bigger, but so easy to acquire. So really, really bright. Now, Champion has a great line of products, various price points and various capabilities, but something that's really cool about their Vanquish line is that it is specifically designed around gunshots themselves. So a lot of hearing protection just delves into noise in general, but this is geared towards specifically gunshots. So you can check out their entire Vanquish line from Champion, tons of cool products, also their iPro, and of course Champion is known for their targets. So it's all the stuff you need to go along with you to the range, not just the guns, not just the optics and the ammo, but everything else to keep you safe when you're out there and have a good time. You gotta check out Champion.